Hi again, pre-primaries. In our last video, I talked about the Aboriginal seasons from the Noongar people, and we're going to continue learning about that today. So put your thinking hats on. So in our last video, we talked about how the Aboriginal people have 6 Noongar seasons, and their seasons depend on the weather and what animals are on the land and what plants are around, which is a bit different to our seasons, which go by dates. And if you can remember, the first season was called Barak, and this season was very hot and very dry, a lot like our summer. So the second season is called Banuru. Have a go now at saying Banuru. This season was from February to March. There was lots of flowers, seeds, and berries to eat during this season, so lots of plants around, and they were collected to make food and drinks. There were hot easterly winds during this season, and the Noongar people and families camped near the coast and the rivers so they could continue to go fishing. Orange symbolised this season because there was an abundance of fishing and it was still hot with no rain. The third season is called Duran. Have a go now at saying Duran. This season was from April to May. This was the autumn season when the cooler weather began. Hunting for fish continued during this season, but the Noongar families would travel further inland along the Swan River to find some shelter to get ready for the rain. Here is where they continued to fish. Light green symbolised this season because there was lots of eucalyptus trees around where their leaves are green, and it also symbolised that it was starting to get a bit more cold. What I want you to have a go at today is walking around your home and see if you can find some orange or some green objects and share what you found.